Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see all the third-party access to your Gmail account. So if you've signed in using your Gmail account to third parties like Canva or maybe Adobe Express or maybe ChatGPT, and you want to see all of these accounts, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Gmail. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile picture here at the top right. Then tap on Manage Your Google Account. Now from here, you want to go ahead and tap on Security. Now scroll all the way down until you see your connection to third-party apps and services. So this will basically keep track of all your connections to third-party apps and services. So go ahead and tap on See All Connections. Now, as you can see, there are that many connections from my Google account to all of these third-party apps. Now from here, you can go ahead and sign out as well, tapping on it, and then tapping on Delete All Connections you have with this account. So I'll confirm that. And now as you can see, that connection has been removed from this list. So there you go guys, that is how to see third-party apps and services connection to your Gmail account. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.